Huh? Huh?
What is this? Am I seeing things?
Huh?
Mom! Why is the house so messy just after Mom left for a while? Is it because the two of you made a mess? No, Mom, we didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry, Mom. What do you mean, you adorable little thing? Hurry up and clean all this messy stuff quickly.
Oh, yes, Mommy.
Hey, dinosaur. Little dinosaur. Why are you running down here? Mom just saw it now. Or is the little dinosaur hungry? This isn't good. I hear footsteps. Mom is coming soon. Where should I hide? There's no time left.
Oh, no.
Unbelievable. I knew these two kids were hiding something from me. No wonder the food in the house ran out so quickly.
Huh?